Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing WireGuard and Tailscale. So if you don't know what WireGuard and Tailscale is, starting with WireGuard. WireGuard is a fast, modern, open source VPN protocol that runs inside of the Linux kernel. It is lightweight and highly secure. Same goes for Tailscale. It is a VPN service built on top of WireGuard. Okay, so Tailscale is from WireGuard. It is designed to make networking between devices easy, secure, and seamless using a mesh network. So let's compare both of them, starting with the WireGuard. So the pros of WireGuard is that it is blazing fast, and it also has a low overhead. It has a simple code base, and it is easier to audit. It is also open source and highly secure, and flexible and customizable. Now we get to the cons of it. Is that it has no built-in key management. It also requires manual configuration, and it has no NAT traversal or automatic device discovery. So let's go to Tailscale. So the pros of Tailscale is that it is built on WireGuard, like I said earlier. It also inherits the speed that WireGuard has, the performance that the WireGuard has. However, it has zero config setup with automatic device discovery, unlike WireGuard. It also has NAT traversal, where it also works behind firewalls, unlike WireGuard, and it also has centralized access control and user authentication. So, however, the cons of Tailscale is that it has a closed source control server, unlike WireGuard, which is an open source. It also requires an account, which comes with price, and it also has a limited self-hosting options using Headscale. So it is also a community project. So you should choose WireGuard if you want the maximum control and minimum overhead and are comfortable with a manual setup. And you should choose Tailscale if you want an easy setup, automatic networking, and are okay with relying on a cloud service for management. It is also great for teams and individuals who value convenience over control. And that is it. That is the difference between Tailscale and WireGuard. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.